If everything could just stop, just for a moment. If I disappeared, would anyone even notice?
This uniform is like a prison. This is like a prison. I want to be outside. I want to be with you. Where are you? The sound of the start of gentle rain, while the birds are still singing. Mischievous ladies in a ballet class. Silky pyjamas. A pint. Being woken up constantly by my cats.
If I was a
How
dog,
sweet of him
none
to
of
come
this
here.
would
It
matter.
is certainly giving
hate
her
when
that look.
noticed.
The dog's
I'm a
happier than
goddess,
me.
the one he gave me.
A circus with dinner? Who couldn't be intrigued by that?
I don't remember telling him where I work. Why is he with her? Oh crap, did he ask a question?
Everywhere.
Say
Constant
something.
62
reminders of
hours
him.
Oh no, it's
to lay
fine,
in
he's
bed
talking
and
again.
get to sleep. What's the fuss about custard?
No kind words can heal a broken heart.
The customer is always right.
God, he can talk. I wonder if I should go over there and do that thing he likes. Hold on. Who's she? He wasn't wearing that wedding ring.
Purpose saves us
I
all.
need to get out of here.
How can the same things look different on different days?
How do birds know where to fly to?
I thought it was really beautiful, really, really well done. And I loved how they kind of moved around and engaged with the audience. I thought that was really good.
I wish I could go on holiday.
I am a domestic goddess. I am the woman of your dreams.
Oh my god, there's that guy.
Maybe I could hypnotise him. If I look like I'm not managing, maybe he'll come over and explain it to me. I love it when he does that.
But all of it's great, all of it's so different, and it's just so nice. You get the way you get drawn into the people's little revelries, and yeah, it was lovely.
Well, then this seems to be one of the hits of the London scene.